Hello friend, Instagram just roll out a new little update, so I want to show you what is this. So if you go to the note section, so here if you want to create the new note, so here you notice that now here when I tap on the color dot, so here you notice that there is a little firework emoji. So now this is the new update. If you tap on this one, so here you notice that it display the firework emoji at the top of my note. So this is basically a new update for new year 2026. So here you can celebrate new year. So like I want to just type here happy new year, and you notice that I have just applied the new effect which recently update. So I want to just add here happy new year 2026. So now I can easily share my note with the new effects. So now I want to just tap on apply, and now if I tap on a share, so here you notice that I have successfully shared an Instagram note with a new effect which recently launched. So this is basically a little fire emoji which recently launched when you create the new Instagram note. So this is the latest update which recently launched on Instagram. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.